I'm going to show you a plugin for Google Chrome called Native Lazy Tabs, which help you fix problems of memory usage in Google Chrome and help Google Chrome start very quickly and not hog all the resources. As you can see, I've got 10 pages open at the same time, but I don't look at all 10 at the same time. You can see the memory usage and the processor usage. It's about 2 gigs of RAM. Now, this extension called Native Lazy Tabs, what it does is it opens all the 10 pages for you, but it actually does not load until you open the tab. And I'll show you the difference, what I mean. Now, simply go to the extensions and go into Get More Extensions and search for Native Lazy Tabs. There it is. It's a quick, simple plugin. Add to Chrome, add extension, done. Now I'm going to exit Google Chrome and we'll monitor the memory usage again. Okay, this is on a Mac, but it also applies to PC. Okay, now 10 tabs are there as you can see. Let's have a look. As you can see, the memory usage is literally 0. Well, here we go. For example, YouTube, just starting to load. You can see the network usage. It only takes place when you're actually visiting the website. Which makes sense because sometimes the content does not load, or by the time you get to a tab, content has changed. And yeah, here is the extension that it's working. I totally recommend it.